Hello, my dear viewers. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and well, safe at your homes. Welcome back again on my YouTube channel, Street Fashion. Once again, I collected for you people the amazing and stunning different type of crafting ideas which you guys can easily decorate it in your homes. The most amazing and most easy decoration ideas to decorate it on your Christmas and make your Christmas amazing and beautiful. Small things and the wasting products you guys can easily utilize and make a beautiful thing, and you can easily decorate it on your Christmas day, and it will look so amazing and beautiful. You guys can see all our amazing and beautiful stuff to utilize and to decorate your Christmas tree beautiful with this type of ideas. And hopefully you guys will love the all designs and ideas. So do watch this video and do subscribe my channel and click the bell icon as well if you guys want to watch this type of collection more on my channel, and give me your reviews and your feedback most in the comment section. So I will definitely try to bring more amazing beautiful collection for you people. By clicking the bell icon, you don't have to search my channel and video easily. You guys can watch my all videos just through the notification. Most trendy and beautiful decoration ideas for Christmas you guys can find only on my channel, Street Fashion. So like my video, share it with your friends and family so they can also get different type of amazing beautiful designs from my videos. And I want to thank you for watching my this video collection. I will be back again with another amazing collection.